Bilisan magtimpla ng kape.
Bakit?
Dahil gutom na ako.
Eh, di ba na tayo nun?
Ay, hindi.
Hi guys! For today's video.
Anong ginagawa mo? English.
I
Timpla.
have Starbucks. This is a Starbucks, but in a red brand. And this is worth of 500 pesos. Just one piece is 500 pesos. And this is a creamer. And this is a coffee. This coffee also worth 500 pesos. So in one cup, we pay for 1,500 pesos because this sugar is also 500 pesos.
Wow.
So 500 equals to 1,500.
Oh, no.
Yes, because this hotel is 5-star hotel. The most expensive hotel here in Manila. So we stay here.
Ang yaman-yaman kami.
You see, we have here our cell phone. This is a cell phone. This is where I used to. This is where I.
What is that?
And also we have here a dinosaur egg. Yes. We ordered a small one. The dinosaur egg is big like this. But we ordered one. I don't know what dinosaur is this. So for our breakfast is this.
Balot kagabi
Yeah.
mga hindi namin aubos.
We have 4 pieces. So let's make a Starbucks coffee here in Red Hotel, the 5-star hotel, the most expensive hotel.
Giyatay! Wala na akong naintindihan mo kami. Ingresera!
Because I found a farm. Me, can you explain to your followers what a farm means to our...
Guys, alam niyo yung apam sa amin? Pancake.
It's not a farm like a foreigner. No! It's a pancake. But
Parang may
not
muta
with
pa ako.
butter or honey. We only use sugar, sprinkle it with margarine.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ako may mutak pa ako. Giyatay ka. So yun lang ba kami? Bye-bye. Sis!
Bye-bye!